Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your T-Mobile home internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions for proper disconnection. Step 1. Review your T-Mobile home internet account to confirm there are no contract commitments. T-Mobile home internet typically operates without annual contracts. Step 2. Contact T-Mobile customer service by calling their support line or visiting a T-Mobile store location. You can also manage your account through the T-Mobile app or website. Step 3. Inform the representative that you want to cancel your T-Mobile home internet service. Provide your account information and desired cancellation date. Step 4. The representative may inquire about your reason for canceling and offer solutions to address any service issues. Consider their suggestions or proceed with cancellation. Step 5. Confirm any final charges or prorated amounts for the remaining days of service in your current billing cycle. Step 6. Understand that you must return the T-Mobile home internet gateway within a specified time frame to avoid non-return equipment charges. Step 7. Return the gateway to any T-Mobile store or use the prepaid return shipping label that will be provided. Package the gateway securely in its original box if available. Step 8. Obtain a return receipt as proof of equipment return. Cancel any automatic payment methods linked to your account. Verify that your final bill reflects accurate charges and that service has been fully disconnected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.